Welcome to Blood, Sweat, and Beers. Today we're going to be taking the first ride of my new to me 2023 CRF450RL. A couple things I already got done to it. Got the yoshimura SV4 full pipe Athena GET ECU. It's got the Wi-Fi module. Got a nice little tune switch up here. Threw some new grips on it right when I bought it. Let's go have some fun. Gotta make sure shit's not falling out of my pockets. Good boy. Let's go one more go around. Oh, that was probably the biggest I've taken it so far. Pocket. Last night I cut out a little foothold for knee knockers, so maybe we'll give that a test today if we can find a nice empty road where if I eat it nobody will run me over. But as of right now, I think we're going to McDonald's. Height a lot recently on my wheelies instead of just chasing them out. Now let me tell you, when you don't hit balance point very often, you start getting close to it. It's a scary feeling. Loaded that ball. I don't know if she's pulling that, but she ain't happy. Alright, let's get ourselves some food. My motorcycle's pretty good. had to get her home before my luck ran out, and the cops decided to have some fun with me. Fortunately, we didn't test this out yet. That'll have to be coming in another video. Be sumo converting this in right around a week here. Still just waiting on all the parts to show up. You can see I've got both my front and rear here. So we've got a couple other parts we're waiting on in the mail, and then this thing will be a true sumo.